Good morning, students. In our previous modules, we discussed how sound is produced and propagates from one place to another. In this module, we will discuss how our ears help us to hear any sound. First, we will discuss the construction of ear. It consists of three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. The outer part of ear is called pinna, and it is attached to about 2 to 3 centimeter long passage called ear canal. At the end of ear canal, a thin elastic and circular membrane called eardrum is stretched tightly. There are three small and delicate bones called hammer, anvil, and stirrup in the middle part of the ear, which are linked to one another. One end of hammer touches the eardrum and its other end is connected to second bone, anvil. The other end of anvil is connected to third bone called stirrup, and the free end of stirrup touches the membrane over the oval window. The inner part of ear has a coiled tube called cochlea. One end of cochlea is connected to middle part of ear through the elastic membrane over the oval window. Cochlea is filled with a liquid. The liquid present in cochlea contains nerve cells which are sensitive to sound. The other end of cochlea is connected to auditory nerve which goes into the brain. Now let's discuss the working of ear. First, the sound waves are collected by the pinna. Then these sound waves pass through the ear canal and fall on the eardrum. When the sound waves fall on the eardrum starts vibrating back and forth rapidly. The vibrating eardrum causes a small bone hammer to vibrate. From hammer, vibrations are passed on to second bone, anvil, and then to the third bone, stirrup. The vibrating stirrup strikes on the membrane of oval window and passes the amplified vibrations to the liquid in cochlea. Due to this, liquid in cochlea begins to vibrate. The vibrating liquid of cochlea sets up electrical impulses in the nerve cells present in it. These electrical impulses are carried by auditory nerve to the brain. The brain then interprets these electrical impulses as sound, and we get the sensation of hearing. Thank you.